Here we go. It's time for my favorite weather segment of the week. Of course, Weather Wiz Wednesday, where you send me your weather questions and I answer them on Wednesday on air. Anything from convection to winter storms to hurricanes, tropical disturbances, snow. Let's try and get past the snow, but still I'll answer your snow questions. Today's Weather Wiz is Shelly, and she says, is lightning directly related to clouds with rain? And if there's no rain, could there not be lightning? Well, thank you so much for your question, Shelly. And of course, keep the weather questions coming. You can email me, weather@newscenter1.com. I am almost running out of questions, so please send them to me. But Shelly, I'm going to answer your question first. Lightning is simply electric discharge. Just think of a little spark, and just on a much larger scale, a little bit of static energy, like you rub, with the carpet or whatever. It's just a lot larger scale, and it forms in cumulonimbus clouds, which are made up of both water molecules, ice, and supercooled water. So yes, technically you need rain for lightning, but we can have dry thunderstorms. More on that in just a second. So the moisture in the clouds, whether it's in liquid state or a gaseous state or in a frozen state, the ice in the large cumulonimbus clouds, because they are so large, there is ice at the top going up to around 40,000 feet. That causes electrical charges, both positive and negative, and lightning is nature's way of balancing the charges in the clouds, going from positive to negative. And thunder, even though we're not talking thunder here, but just clear this up really quick. Thunder is actually the ripple effect you get from air molecules quickly expanding and then contracting because it's heated with the lightning, and that's what gives us the thunder. But as far as a cumulonimbus cloud, large vertical growth with very strong updrafts, and that's holding up the ice and the water in the cloud, and that's going to develop positive charges and negative charges. Now these can be flip-flopped. Not every thunderstorm is the same, and then you have the charge at the surface. Cloud to ground lightning is probably the most dangerous, but we also have cloud to cloud, cloud to sky, and vertical lightning. But essentially, lightning is just trying to balance the charges in a thunderstorm cloud, and that's when we get the thunder as the air contracts and expands very rapidly. But just really quick, lightning is very dangerous. I'm sure I don't have to remind you. We'll probably go over some lightning safety tips later in the week. So essentially, you need rain and moisture for lightning. However, it is not absolutely necessary. Dry lightning, one of our big fears here in the beautiful Black Hills, because it often triggers wildfires. So we like to see rain if there's lightning around. Shelly, I hope that answers your question, and please keep the weather questions coming to weather@newscenter1.com.